In law school, precision is power. Hi, welcome to another law school survival tip. So today's topic is vocabulary precision. Sa law, bawal ka sa mga synonyms. Okay? Kasi in law, words are not just words. Okay? Words are elements, consequences, and remedies. Example, void is not the same as voidable. Okay? Void means kasi walang visa from the start. Okay? Voidable means valid pa rin siya until annulled by the court. And then here's another. Rescission under Article 1191 is not the same as rescission under Article 1381. So kapag mali yung term mo, kahit tama yung idea mo, the examiner or law professor will think that you're guessing. So train your tongue and your brain to use exact legal language. Okay? In law school, precision is power. The right word can save your answer.